In this video, we will learn about integers numbers. Integer numbers can be positive, negative, and zero. We can also perform mathematical operations on integer variables such as x20, y50. To add these two, we can do the x plus y. At the same time, we are going to print the result of addition. I'll make it 100. Now, same with the subtraction and multiplication and division. And now we are going to do, after division, modulus separation. X mod by 5 or y, and we can also do power operation like this x. Now we can save it and run this program. I will name in.py. And then type Python, and then our program name in.py. You can see the result of this. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.